Does your business need a Facebook presence? Well, today we're going to show you how easy it is to create a Facebook business page. So first off, you're going to want your profile picture and cover image. If you don't have that yet, you can easily make them using a free tool called Canva. Okay, now that you have your profile picture and cover image, go to the Facebook home screen. There's a little arrow in the top right corner. Click it and it will bring down a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Pages. In the center of the next page, you'll see a button that says Create a Page. If you already have any pages, they will also show up in this page. Once you click Create a Page, it will give you the options between business or brand, or community or public figure. This will be different depending on what you're going to use the group for. Pick the one that's right for you. Give your page a name and select the category for it. Then hit Continue. Now select your profile picture and it can either be a picture of you or your logo, dealer's choice. You can also skip this step for now, but if you already have the pictures, you might as well upload them. The next step is to upload your cover photo. Like I said before, if you don't have one already, you can easily make a free one using Canva. You can also skip this step for now, but if you already have the image, you might as well add it. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Next, it will bring up your page. Now you can invite your friends to get your page off to a good start. You can create a page username by clicking the @ symbol under your page name on the left-hand side. You can change it to anything you want as long as it's available. There are a lot of things that you can do with a Facebook page, even set up a messenger bot and a welcome message. Are you gonna set up a Facebook page? What's your favorite use for a Facebook page? Let us know in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next one.